Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. There are 3 steps to solve this issue. The first method is the easiest one. All you have to do is drop down your notifications and turn on the airplane mode from off to on. Now again, turn off your airplane mode. Once your airplane mode is turned off, you can check if the problem is solved or not. But if this method doesn't work, you don't have to worry about. You can go to step 2. The step 2 requires going to your Android settings. Click on settings. Once the settings is opened, you have to click on network and internet. Click on it. From here, you have to select your SIM. From here, you have to swipe down just a little bit until you see preferred network type. You have to click on it and downgrade it from 5G to 3G. If your phone supports 2G, you can also select 2G. If there is an option called allow 2G, you can turn it on as well. And now check if the problem is solved or not. If your problem also doesn't solve by method 2, then you can head over to the step 3. The step 3 requires going to your Android settings. On the search bar, you have to select reset. And here you will see reset options. Click on it. Click on reset options. From here, you have to reset mobile network settings. Once you reset your mobile network settings, you don't have to worry because it won't delete or wipe out your personal data, or in general, it will not delete anything from your phone. Once your network settings have been reset, your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix no service SIM card problem on Android. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.